I'm kinda expecting this video to be a fail. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today we're gonna put out our very best effort in recreating this cute little hack I saw on Instagram. And when I say I saw it on Instagram, I meant one of my really good friends sent it to me in my DMs for me to try. Yup, a hack to turn a regular old twist that most people can do into a flat twist that a lot of people can't do. Saving all the people out there that can't flat twist. I really do have doubts it would work on my hair in its natural state, but that's the exact reason I'm gonna try it today. We don't see texture and we just try it. So I've already sectioned my hair in two, and I'm going to try this hack on a old wash and go. Let's section about this much here for the twist. Straight up. I tried to separate a big enough section so that I can get a nice juicy twist from start to end. And I also want the twist to start further back. So the model had the hair just hanging down, you know. My hair is a bit thicker, so I'm just gonna section off the back section and hold that in place until we're done. Now we're just gonna twist. And my twist is done. So you see all that fanciness she did at the end? We're gonna have to just modify that or leave it out altogether. So what I'm gonna simply do from here on now is just to catch this back section into a low ponytail and then add my twist on top of it. And let's see how that looks. Okay, we can see that this twist is definitely not blending well with the low ponytail. Yeah, that's very obvious there. No. Alright, let's try and twist the hair a little flatter on the head, if you get what I'm saying. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna try. If you really look closely at the video, first of all, they don't show the front of the hair how it looks, and secondly, it didn't look like she gathered hair from the side of her head. So let's take out some of this. I mean, would that make it better? And I'm doing a really loose twist, not as tight as before. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know, man. That's not blending. This doesn't look nice. Okay, alright. I'm gonna have to do a little more work than the original video, but I think I've figured out a way to let it look a little more realistic. Just a little bit. Let's just put this away for now. And let's catch this up into a low ponytail. But here's the little change. Instead of just catching all of this down into a low ponytail, you see what this front section is doing? Yeah, it looks weird. Everything just going down like that. Especially at the front, it doesn't blend with the twist. So, what we're going to do is we're going to gather this hair right here and smooth it back. Now with this section, I'm going to twist it just as how the original video did. And secure it with an elastic band at the end. Alright. And you see how the top is nice and fluffy? We're just going to manipulate the hair in a way to get it looking blended. And because we have some of the hair from the front already going into that direction, it doesn't look that off now. So now we're going to use our magic tool, hairpins, and we're going to just secure the hair in place. You can do whatever you want to do with the ends. You could just twist out the ends or plait the ends, but I'm just going to make a cute little bun with the ends of my hair.
Listen, I am way beyond this tutorial at this point. She has a bun, I have a bun. All is right with the world.
I must admit, this turned out a whole lot better than I expected. However, I think I can get it to look a little bit better if I tie it down with my satin scarf for a few minutes, and that usually just allows all the flyaways to lie down and gives my hair a sleeker appearance.
If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
I think we did it, guys. I think we did a flat twist hack. I think you'll be able to clock me that this isn't a flat twist if you came up close, but from afar, I think this can pass for a genuine flat twist. Alright, it looks like I did this twist a little looser than this twist, but it's okay. It's okay. Come and now do it over again. Let me know down below what you guys think. Does this look like a real flat twist, or is something a little bit off? So if you're one of those people who feel like you have no hope in learning how to flat twist, you should try this hack. Anyway, beauties, I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you are new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I really don't appreciate being used like that. I mean, you just watch all of my video and then you're just gonna leave like that? Really? You're not even considering to subscribe so you can get more content from me? Okay. Alright, let's negotiate. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then hopefully after the second or the third video, you should realize by then that we clearly get along, so it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah.